Blessed Sunday, my people, blessed Sunday. What's up? Welcome back to another video. Yes, my people, you don't know, we are going to the kitchen again today, you know. But before going to the kitchen, we are going to do a first errand in picking up my Sunday Gleaner. So I am going by the intersection of Washington Boulevard and Mullines Road, you know, to pick up my Gleaner. You know, I don't know, we like have a Gleaner with Star, you know, we read with Gleaner with Star. It's just that through social media most time we don't have no time to do that, and despite you got the Gleaner and the Star also on social media, but there's certain part of the Gleaner where you don't want certain details from, where me don't know if you can find it, but me can never find that part of me want. And when I need the whole sports part of the Star or the Gleaner, it's just like the headline I can see. So when there is something specifically that I need to see, I have to actually buy the actual Gleaner. So I just have to pick up my Gleaner and go into the kitchen. So people, just do the do. You know the do. Like, share and subscribe to this channel, Life is a Mission TV. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Remember the Young Entrepreneur College student, link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section pin. Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give her a subscription please and thanks, and continue to support both of my channels, which is this channel, Life is a Mission TV, and Speak My Mind Entertainment. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel and you are watching, please go ahead and do so now, please and thanks. This channel, you know, there's great plans for this channel, you know. This channel is like my baby channel, you know, because what the main channel turns out to be, the plan for the main channel was the same plan for this channel, but it rerouted. So I have to just follow the flow where that channel rerouted and still form another channel to do what I really want to do, which is this channel. And thank you for the support, you know, for me to reach, for this channel to reach a monetized channel. I just want some more support now, where, you know, sharing the videos, liking the videos, you know, sharing the channel itself is concerned, so it can help the channel to grow to where I really want it. Because I'm telling you, you know, the main feature of my this channel, you know, is the adventure part of the channel. Yes man. And without this channel grow, where it can help to finance itself to do that, because you don't know, adventure takes cash to care. I mean, I want to come out and come and beg nobody now. Because, tell you the honest truth, I don't like beg. I tell you that already. Everybody have to beg at some point, you know. You see, the actual begging thing, I don't too like it. Because I'm afraid of embarrassment. I don't like feel shame. I don't say I don't accept no. Because if you just not have it, you just not have it. But some people have it, and through you beg it, and them can't have it, can't afford to give, you know. But them have to embarrass you first. Them have to shame you. Them have to, no, I can't bother with that something. So, because of that, the bicycle there, man, I not too like the begging part of the thing. So I want just the support for the channel, so the channel can earn, wait for earn. You understand? Yes man, that's all I need for to support the channel. Anyway, I don't see none of the Gleaner man them oh one there right there, so but if none not out there, yeah, if I go in at the gas station there, so go see if I get a Gleaner. So my people, stick with me, pick up my Gleaner, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, see Gleaner man and my people. So I don't know. him have him little bag juice I sell, you know? Cause hustle we say, you know. Yeah, man.
Most hustle come my body.
Yeah,
That's
man.
a day that now going away.
Yeah, man. Nah, going away. Tell him it, cause a big man, tell him it.
Oh, that big but a bad man.
Alright, you see it? The man say him is a bad man.
We run around the road.
Alright, you see it?
But listen, I always try hustle.
Alright.
By the end of the day, never fuck up now. I'm not born red eye. I'm not the kind of style. Right now, then I want to get rid of right now. Then I the problem that I can't sell out.
You can't start selling your bag juice.
Yeah, but I still go on because then I know I realize it kind of slow. But we still have to sell about 2 bags and 3 bags before next day.
And then on Sunday, you don't know the aristocratic people, them mostly they on the road, so them not, no, them not too want go for no bag juice.
Them have to buy, man. And then we care to pass out. I love the Sunday.
The Sunday, oh, the Sunday just lame.
Yeah, but now I left for 3 hours, so you never see them go on. That's something I don't think with other nice sons, so them are melt out.
Oh, them are melt out, yeah.
Them the people and everything, and some people go on top.
What if you do? Get some of even some of the same old newspaper, yeah. So you see when time it now move fast, wrap up in the old newspaper. So it kind of keep the ice a little bit longer if you don't have no igloo. Yeah, man, use some of the old newspaper them and wrap them.
Now the igloo, but bad man keep them, so you have to just calm and watch them.
Yeah, man.
Them still keep, you know.
Yeah, man. Just do what you do, man. Don't make them feel you, make them make you have to go back to where you don't want to go back to. Just do what you have to do to survive. Because at the dollars, you know, it's once you work for the dollars keenly and clean, you're good to go. So big up yourself.
Yeah, every time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bless her. Yeah, man. See it, Washington Boulevard, you know? Yeah, man. Alright. See, my people, this is a female out here doing her work, but here still, you have some strong-hearted woman and man out there going like say, you know, people for just come work them money and give them. See it, yeah? Tomorrow them Sarah go down the road, them want to take her a little much she have, them want to beg it out and she not give them. You understand? Or war them want to war her feet. And she have to out here in her sun, sit there. Hot sun winner. Hot sun, sit there. And she have to there and do her thing. Because she have to feed herself and her family. You understand? So go and do your thing here, baby.
Alright, sir.
Yeah. Boy, my people, the Brilliant drive up the right time in the gas station with me, I take with myself. See it there? Wanna look, my people. See Brilliant there? Me gone. Yes, my people. So that was the Gleaner man, you know? Sell him little bag juice. You hear me tell you, say? Me say, where? The man say, what you talking about? Me a bad man. But me just choose to do this cause we run the whole of down, so. Man, make sure you start telling who him is. But, you know, the best way to go, badness not pay, man. We grew up every day and say badness not pay. And this is why I can't understand why the young youths them grew up. You know? And see what happen around them. What happen with them cousin, what happen with them brother, what happen with this, what happen with them friend. And the same line them want to travel. Oh, if you want to travel the same line, that simply means something wrong with you, man. Because you can't see your brother, your uncle and your family and friends are traveling a certain way and your sister not the right way that I still want to go that way there. I saw you brave. Or so you're special. You understand? And see there is another female that in the hot sun in the sun there. A car wash your work at the gas station. You understand? Nothing like earning your honest bread. Badness not pay. Some man might have luck. You know? And have a little piece of headpiece pan them, and sometimes not care much headpiece you have once you involve in badness. You can't have too much education. You can't too educated. You can't too smart. For you to see yourself at the end of the line one of the day. You understand? So we have to just do what we have to do and wise up and try to do the right thing. You understand? Yes, and every day we get up and do the right thing. Because sometimes some man tempt you to do the wrong thing. But doing the wrong thing in self-defense, if so be the case. But not just get up and do the wrong thing in seeing people and want to take them things, want them things and all them stuff there. No. Anyway, people, catch you in the kitchen, you understand? Today, I'm going to cook some Jamaican thyme. So, I want to just stay tuned and catch me in the kitchen. When I say me I go cook, Jamaican thyme. Alright, so stand up, stay tuned, sit down, lie down, and look out for the Jamaican thyme. I'm going to cook up some Jamaican thyme. Catch me in the kitchen. Because when you have a garlic and knife now, for your own brother, your garlic and knife, as a youth. For your own. No palm say man that name brother. Your garlic and knife for your own brother now. Come on. So wanna try to learn the bad things instead of try to learn the good things. Cause as a youth like you, or from before me born them myself your garlic knife or you understand? You don't see no syrup run out of you. Because the syrup staying on you because of the garlic or the weapon. You understand what I say? And you as a young youth, far younger than me about 3 times your age. You know all of that. And your brother you do it for. And the good things you don't want to learn them. But you don't learn them something there. But I tell you, where the world I go? Where you want now? Trouble make kind of people. So the dog get big. And with minute beer make trouble with the dog. For no reason at all. So yes, my people, you know your boy, yours truly is going to, I know, pre-prep him thing from overnight. Worse than me, I cook hard meat like these. So my meat and peas actually cooked from yesterday. Not yesterday, last night, just before I go to bed. So it would make my job a little bit easier, where I can get a little extra sleep in my bed instead of I get up to come cook. Because I don't know how tough the meat I got is. So here we have it. We have, in this we have oxtail. Let me show you. Alright, see it here we have oxtail. I don't normally put chicken foot in my stew peas, but my daughter kind of love it. That's chicken foot. And you know, there is no stew peas without pig's tail. See that? No stew peas without pig's tail. So if you know yam pork, don't recommend stew peas to your dinner or stew peas to eat, because stew peas can't nice without pig's tail. Alright? So this is it now. So I'm going to throw in a little bit of coconut milk and season up my pot right now, because the pot ready for the seasoning. See there? Yeah man, chicken foot, oxtail, I don't get no salt beef. Chicken foot, oxtail, and pig's tail. Alright? So life is a mission, people. You know what to do. Your stool is in the kitchen again. What me call it? Jamaican timing. You know what he pound there look and say, what that now? Some might realize when me attack. Some good at say, when name so now Jamaican timing. See it here? This is the Jamaican timing. Stew peas. Them say, this the woman them use boy. But them use it do me no know. You understand? Because none now use it do me. Alright. I want to know the saying. All who know the saying about woman using stew peas. You understand? I want to know the saying. So anyway, stay tuned. I get in the coconut milk now and the seasoning. Boy, I never know how good the audio is with the Gleaner man this morning. But boy, people in the festive. And I can't know how good the audio was. Only put that hearing clean. Now that me I say this in the video, I have to just wait till I watch the video. Yes man, so I'm going to add some coconut milk. Yeah man, I have to just wait till I watch the video my people to see if the audio was good for me to put hear what he said. Man say, oh, I was bad man. We are talking. As a matter of fact, the man not talk like him was. The man talk like him still is. But I just cool him and cool. You understand? The green pepper is a must, people. That I just spice it around. You have to take the fork and juke it. I never juke it. You know? So you have to kind of juke the pepper. You don't really want it boil and bust out before you get the real flavor, because it might be too hot them time there. And a little pimento seed, wash off. Sometimes we grind the pimento seed. But I'm not going to grind it because I'm not a lover of pimento seed and ginger. I hate taste it in my pot. When my time drop, and me I wash off my time. So you have pimento seed, pepper already. Properly wash off my time. Because these things are ground thing, you know, them things are growing on the ground, so you have to properly wash off the dirt. So this is my time. The skeleton already stripped. bush style, you know. So when you start learning some of the adventure style from now, in the damn bush, you know, talk about you beat up the scallion, because you don't have no way to really beat it up most of the time. Adventure you are doing in the wilds. So you just take your scallion and you ring your scallion like this and throw it in your pot. So when you throw it in your pot, you know, say the ring where you ring it, just as you beat it up, the flavor come out like it. Alright? Alright, put a little pick up a half of a butter where you have left over. Now, I'm going to put another half of a stick of butter now. So this is 3/4 stick of butter in total. Alright. I'm going to make this boil down a little bit before I season it up with the herbal type seasoning and a little Maggi seasoning. Yeah, I'm going to make it boil down a little bit, make the coconut milk boil out a little bit. Yes, okay. I take the knife and stick this. Take the knife to stick the pepper so I can get the full flavor of the pepper. Yes, man. Wow, it smells rainy. Oh! Just by sticking it, my people. Just by sticking it, boy. I wonder if you ever going to take out this before time. So I'm going to give that a little 10 minutes. So within the time I'm giving this 10 minutes to simmer down the coconut milk boil out. Because remember now you have to make sure your coconut milk boil out in anything where you are doing. Because if you don't do it and you say you want to leave a little bit for your breakfast tomorrow morning or a little bit, if your coconut milk not boil out properly, it might make the food spoil quick. So you have to make sure certain things in your food you put in your food. Just like what them say curry have to cook out properly else it will run your belly. Pork have to cook properly else it will run your belly. Well, coconut milk if you don't boil out this properly, it will spoil your food. When I say spoil, not the taste, but you can't let it for no time in your stove. When you don't cook now, then and later I say, alright, look more like 12 o'clock I come in or 11 o'clock, one of time I come and I have. And I want to eat the cold, when I look it could have spoiled because the coconut milk never boil out good. You understand? So we have to boil out in the coconut milk. So Jamaican timing is on the fire. I'll prepare the rice now, get the rice washed and put it on. So stay tuned. So my people, the rice is on now. So basically, I'm going to put in my little salt up my rice and my little butter. And I'm going to need my flour after to make my little spinners to put in the pig's tail. In the stew piece pot, the Jamaican timey. So, little salt. Put in little salt. Taste the pot because boy, I tell you when pot salt, you know, it kind of show off the real quality and taste of the pot. And one day, the strawberry pig's tail, it was a hook, but trust me, because it was a little bit too salt.
How are you shy?
Yes, the people, and as I say, just that the kind of throw off a little barbecue pig's tail last week, but it was a hook people. But you see through its salt, the amount where you don't want to get in, the salt kind of throw you off. But that was the only little problem. The pig's tail just want to scald a little bit more. So now, I make sure this pig's tail, we're in the Jamaican timey, I make sure it's properly scald, and I hope so. So, I'm going to put on the cover here now. So, get my piece of butter in. Yes, butter my people. So, now I have that there so. There go. Need a little flour now to put in the spinners then. Yeah. And season up the pot. So, flour time. And people, I tell you, I have 2 cook vloggers come up. have two cook vloggers come up where I'm going to tell the people, honestly, I have two that's a little flour, I don't want much. I'm not dumping a banana in here. Yeah, my people, I have cool cook vlog when I have planned to come up. I think tomorrow, I'm going to do one of them. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to do one. And probably about next week, Sunday, we do the next one. But people, let me tell you honestly, you see, I get to grow and learn on social media that it's when you have certain ideas and you come out and do it, you have a lot of people who have platforms. Because I prove it on the main channel, and this is why I say this here, so it's not really over here, so people, on the main channel. You have ideas and you come out with it and you speak about it. The people them coming like them around a race with you. With your ideas. You understand? It's like them try first you to come out with your idea where you have. And me not have a problem because each one teach one. You understand? And you can give me a heads up on something we can do to elevate my channel and move my channel. Me not have no problem with it. But what me have the problem is, give me a chance now to put it out there first. But what you do, you're running my idea and make it look like your idea. And at the same time you're running with the idea, you need to give me a break. You're there on it right through. You know? And this is why I say, them two vlog, you cook vlog in the kitchen. Would I lie? You know me like telling you what me have to come and stuff, but me not going to tell you. We're not going to see it. Tomorrow, we're going to drop one. Sunday, we're going to get the next one. So just stay tuned for my people. I need up some flour now to make the spinach them. So forward. So my people, we're going to make the spinach them now. And who don't know when them spinach, see when you pinch a little piece of the flour, make sure your hands are clean. Because when you roll the dumpling so, if your hand not clean, all of the dirt will come off on your hand in the dumpling. Alright, see me roll this a while ago and look how clean it is, look. You know, see a speck of nothing in it. Right. And you do it like that. So when you do spinach people, you have to make sure anything else you're not doing in the kitchen, you want to make sure you wash up your hand clean because you have to roll it like this. And once you roll it like that, it will take off all the dirt off of your hand. You don't want that. You understand? That is not clean. That is not healthy. Sometimes we feel like the amount of flour we make, it can make too much spinach. What we do, we put a little one dumpling in it. Because along the line, you know, you have a little greedy man who love him dumpling, or a little greedy woman who love her dumpling. We are going to want our glad to get a little one dumpling like that, like is a pot of food you cook. Yeah, man. So this is what spinach look like, my people. You roll it out, you can roll it out as fine as you want to roll it out. Yeah. Or as how thick or how short you want it. But this you call spinach. Some people say little dumpling, but a spinach are the real name for it. Real Jamaican name is spinach. You allow that to boil out, you know, and give the pot a little body. Some people know what them do. Them use the flour to base the pot. Yeah. Yes, my people, so me I tell you, I have two cook vloggers come up. I'm going to do one tomorrow. Unusual. Something similar. I can't go no clue. It is similar to this. When we do what they with this strawberry pigtail, something similar to this. So this is going to be the flavor in what I'm going to do. So I'm going to idea. Only now I miss that one there. If you miss the strawberry stew pigtail, you don't want to miss that one here, the strawberry. Stay tuned for it tomorrow. I drop that one there tomorrow. Now I'm going no more because I say people, when you come on your platform and you make your supporters them, you give them a certain thumbs up or certain things where you think about and certain ideas where you have other platforms who will take it and run with it. And as I say, I don't have no problem for them run with it because each one teach one, you know. You make me grow, me make you grow. But my point is, allow me to carry it come out first. When me carry it come out first and you see it and you like it and you want to try it and you want to really know how it tastes, and if it tastes good and you know at the same time a content you create for your channel, so you will get views off of it, yeah. But you have to come on first me. And when me know say you, the individuals, not individual now, because I want people stay so, the individuals who are doing this, I know they are part of the diaspora, because the diaspora is more, yes. You know? Where we're in. So you know definitely say, them are watch you. So you know basically, them know, or they hear what you say, and hear your plans are, you know? So basically, I just say them people. Alright, I'm going to make two little small dumplings now. Me myself might have one of them. Trust me, the rice thing are really my style. People know if I when me say the gas supposed to done, you know, say I know the gas not done. Deborah, remember from when me say the gas supposed to done, I asked them if I have two. You know, so 2 minutes have I mean, you know, assist somebody and give them one where they, you know, buy a stove and need a cylinder and couldn't get none at the time, and I just give them one. Yeah, but two, right now gas is not like one time where you have to go where you go buy it. Or you have to left right here, so you can't stay right to say your yard and call. And if one man take too long, you call another one. And even so be the case, it's still right across from my yard. You know, so that's the purpose, you know, to really have to say we have 2 cylinders. Although it's nice because you don't know when your gas go down and them might not really have none. But as I say, there is so much place to sell gas now. And I like one time. So people, watch it now. I'm going to season up the pot here now. So the spinners them gone in already. So season up time for the pot. Yeah, my people, man. Sometimes, you know, you have your little idea. People just allow you, make you come forward to the idea first and then them come. As you know, season up with the little Maggi. We not get no sponsor from them, you know, but I don't, as I said too, you know, we just go and work, you know. Someday probably some manager, some supervisor will bring it across to management, you know, and then we probably reach out. So sometimes you have to just work the way you want. And what you may tell a man say, when back in the days, 20 years ago, when I worked doing the park bus, or I could have look all purpose. When I work doing the park bus, right out a petrol jam this up, just as you pass. Right a petrol jam gate, not just as you pass nothing. You used to have this little man who used to travel Marcus Garvey Drive, who used to live doing the park and take bus where they are foreigner, they are Jamaican, you see them here, you know who me are. This little man used to out there have all them little neon looking gloves and a helmet, construction helmet, and them stop the vehicle them. To the trailer, them, the gas truck them can come out or go inside a petrol jam. And enough people that think I work with petrol jam. He never work with petrol jam. It was just something we do and love. And like weekend time, the little truck man them reach out to him and give him a thing. Until eventually I hear petrol jam take him on as a permanent worker after how much years he more than it for free. You understand? So this is what me and some people, we can create our own job and create our own thing, you know? Yeah, man. Alright, my people, taste this here now, but my taste before we keep any form of salt in it. People can about the pepper, me taste it too. But you know, that after me can't manage, me taste it. So me just make the simmer down some more, so the seasoning I just put in, get a time to more simmer out in the pot and give me the real taste before I add anything when I might think it want. Sure not no on a pepper boy. Sure not that. So stay tuned. Rice water dry out. Tip some more water in there now before me stir it. So stay tuned. Life is a mission. Yes, my people, see it there. So the Jamaican time is ready. Like Freddy. And we say steady, steady. You understand? We now move daddy, daddy. We are move like Eddie, not Freddy. And see it there. Rice shelly and ready. Everything steady. We now move daddy, daddy. We say Eddie, not Freddy. Yes, man. So stay tuned. Food in a plate. Me I share and I eat some food. Me I go even 2 more minutes to tight when me I eat some food because the video already reached 30 minutes already. Me don't want to go over that. Alright? Stay tuned. Yes, my people, see it there. Jamaican timey. You don't know I eat this. Stew peas, pig's tail, ox tail, chicken foot. You don't know we never get no salt beef. I eat we call Jamaican timey. So who do you look for something different? I eat this. Who knows say stew peas? No. Alright my people. Over here so. See it there? You know what this? Ghetto food. This name ghetto back, chicken back. This a part of the recipe where me I tell you about for tomorrow. So no stay tuned for that one here because that one here go epic. You understand? That one here go epic. Stay tuned. And nobody feel like say show me show on the strawberry. It a go be strawberry chicken back. You no go and surprise. So you no want to miss the vlog tomorrow. Alright? Catch me out there so I taste the food and I make you know where I go on for another minute. Yeah man, go on. People, yeah. But the same thing when me I run from the pepper bus tonight, it's not a pepper man, people. But otherwise from that, don't know. Jamaican time, you know. Put me a time myself. Now allow no woman to time me. Otherwise, aka stew peas. See the spinach them, yeah? See the man, my love belly full. The man always tell you, say, put 2 dumplings in it, man. Spinach too small. Put 2 dumplings in it, no? Yeah. So, most of the time, they put 2 or 3 little dumplings in it, same way. You know? And then you know enough man to like the rice neither. And man, the prefer you put the dumpling in it and take it out in a different plate and put him stew on that and not give him the rice. So sometimes you just put a couple dumpling in it. But I eat my people. You know? I eat. Well, still after bun. This is it. On a boat, nor a ship, nor a yacht is it. This is it. So life is a mission, people. Remember the name. Jamaican timey, aka stew peas, ox tail, pig's tail, chicken foot. The whole works. So bless upon yourself. Give me a thumbnail. Because I want it, you know. I want a thumbnail for my people. Watch it now. Tell me when you're ready to give me a thumbnail. You buy a piece of the ox tail. Bless upon yourself. Do they do? Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Remember, continue to support both channels. And remember, the young entrepreneur college students, Life, Gabby and Chevy, YouTube link in my comment section. Get a subscription. It now costs no $1. $sign, Life is a Mission TV, and the cash up that. Mocha, boop in them head. I'm out.